Hello and welcome to Victoric's innovative tutorial on how to set up Contact Form 7 Nimble Addon plugin in your WordPress website. To get started, as with any WordPress plugin, you want to install it first, and you have two options. You can either search in the repository using the name of the plugin and install it, or you can download it and install and upload it to your WordPress plugins folder. Once you activate it, you will get the new option in your menu called Nimble. You can see it on the left. This option has two pages. The Nimble page, which is the main page you're looking at right now, as well as mapping fields. First, we'll cover the general screen to help you connect your plugin with Nimble. In order to connect this plugin with Nimble, we have to set up Nimble app first. As you can see, we have a link here that you can click on that will take you to the proper page to set it up. So all you have to do is just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, this is the page that it will take you to. This is the Nimble Developer Center, where we'll set up free Nimble app to help you connect your WordPress with Nimble. So you want to go ahead and register. It's a quick registration. It won't take you that long, 30 seconds at most. Once you do that, you can go ahead and sign in. Once you're signed in, you want to go to My Page. And on My Page, you'll see this button, Set Up an Application. Let's go ahead and click on it. Okay, so this is a really quick setup. Let's give our application name. Let's call it CF7 Nimble Addon for WordPress, and a description. It doesn't really matter. This is really for description, just so you can identify what the app is and what it does. We want to leave type as web application. Access type, we want to make sure that we select read and write. And the last thing that you need to do is the redirect URI. You want to go back to your WordPress where we started, right here, and the redirect URI is this URI right here. You want to select it. Let's go ahead and select the whole thing. Let's go back and then just paste it in. As you can see, this is the redirect URI that the application needs. And let's go ahead and click Set Up Application. Okay, now the application has been set up and your API keys have been approved. The first thing you want to do is don't worry about this API key right now. Just go ahead and click on View Application. Now we have the screen where we have both our API key, which you saw on the previous screen, as well as the secret key. We need both of them. So let's go back to our Nimble screen. As you can see, you have the API key field as well as API secret field. So let's go ahead and copy the API key first. We're going to copy that. And let's copy our secret key. There you go. Now let's click on Get Access Token. It will take you to authorization screen. As you can see, it says sign in to the name of your app. So let's go ahead and sign in. I'll sign into my account. This is your Nimble account. This is not the Nimble Developer Center account. This is Nimble account where you log in to manage your contacts and everything else. Okay, now let's sign in. Okay, so you want to click authorize. That's it. As you can see, it's you have a success message that we've successfully connected. And once you visit this page again, this is what you will see. You have the success message that we are successfully connected, and if you want to break the connection for whatever reason, you can just hit the reset settings and it will break the connection, and you'll have to go through the reauthorization to set it up again. So now we're all set up. Before I move on to the mapping fields, I just want to say that once you set this up, you don't really have to worry about this. So we can go ahead and close this. Okay? So let's go to the mapping fields. Okay? Mapping fields is where you're able to map your Nimble fields with Contact Form 7 fields. As you can see right now, the plugin has been released, so we only have a few fields, very important fields that everybody needs to import contacts and leads into your Nimble account. As you can see, we have 6 of them, and the most important ones are the first name, the last name, and the email. Those are the most important ones that everybody needs. So checking the boxes right here on the side, this is to let the plugin know that you want to use these fields. So now it knows that you will be using these fields. So the last thing we have to do is put in the name of the field of the Contact Form 7 field. So what this is let's go back to our Contact Form 7 form. As you can see right here, I have a text field that's called first name. This part right here, it says first name, it says last name here, and your email. This is the part that needs to go into the Nimble mapping field. Here's one important thing. The plugin will import contacts and on form submissions from all forms within your Contact Form 7 plugin, but all forms must use the same convention of naming their fields. So once you map the fields to first name, last name, your email, that's it. You have to reuse them for all forms, otherwise it will not be imported. So all you have to do is just go in and first name, last name, your email. There you go. We allow you to enter whatever you want because people like creating different things. So you're able to enter your own, but once you enter these, if you're creating multiple forms with Contact Form 7, don't forget that you do need to keep these fields the same. So you always have to use first name, last name, and your email throughout all forms. Don't forget that. That's a very important part. The last thing before I hit save, we do include a quick analytics feature, and by default it's disabled, but if you do want to support but not doing anything, the development of the plugin, go ahead and check this box right here. All it does is it just helps report anonymous usage of the plugin. We don't record any private or sensitive data, just basic information about your website to help us know how it's used and how we can improve it. And you can hit save. That's it. Options are saved. You're all set to go. Now all Contact Form 7 forms are integrated with Nimble, and you can go ahead and test it. Submit a test form, and then go to your Nimble contacts, and if you want to see the contact that you just entered when you submitted the form, just go ahead on the left side, just go into recently added, and you'll be able to see that contact that submitted the form. And if you have any questions, don't forget we do offer free support in our forum, and you can always get to it by clicking Get Support at the bottom right here. You can report a bug, you can rate and review us, you can follow us on Twitter, and if you would like to help support the development of the plugin, don't forget to donate. And the last thing I just want to mention, we are working on additional features like adding more fields, so just wait a little bit and we'll be there very soon. And if you have any questions, stop by our forum or tweet us and we'll help you as much as we can. Thank you so much for using our plugin. I hope you'll enjoy it.